Let's have a look at the positioning of our fans. There are three positions where we can put the fans. Two situations where the fans are standing in front of the air scrubber, and one position when the fans are standing behind the air scrubber. Let's have a first look when the two positions are in front of the air scrubber. It's possible that you put your fans in a horizontal position with the airflow and into a vertical position. In a horizontal position, there should be at least 3 meters, the fan should stand at least 3 meters away from the air intake of the scrubber. This is necessary to get at least amount of turbulence air. And also when you put the fans into a horizontal position, these fans are more easily accessible for servicing. A little disadvantage of the air, of this position of the fans, is that the air has to be pushed around this corner into the pressure chamber, as seen here on the picture on the right. When we take a look at the fans when they are positioned in a vertical position, so actually more in line with the central air duct floor, also again, keep in mind that these fans are positioned at least 3 meters away from the air intake of the scrubber. By placing the fans into the central air duct floor or vertically into the airstream, this creates less turbulence air because the air will be sucked around the corner and not pushed into the pressure chamber, or as we called, pulled around the corner. A little disadvantage by positioning the fans into the floor of the air duct, these fans are a little bit more hard to accessible when servicing the fans. The third option is that you place the fans behind the air scrubber. This is not preferable, but if it's required by local law, it's possible to get even more higher outlet speeds. For instance, Vmax can be possible of 7 meters per second, and you can place exhaust chimneys behind the fans, so you have a higher exhaust point. Keep in mind that you need an additional floor behind the air scrubber for these fans. An advantage of placing the fans behind the air scrubber is that you put the whole system in under pressure. So no air leakage. It's possible that the air that's not being purified is leaking out of the house. Disadvantage is that all the fans has to be able or suitable for a RH of 100%, because this is the air that's coming out of the air scrubber, but also that these fans have to be acid proof. I made a small summary about the fan positioning and the requirements of the fans. The fans has to be capable of creating under pressure in a central air duct when you use a central air duct. Also in the central air duct, there has to be a maintenance door that's put into under pressure. So when there's something going wrong, this door, that's also your maintenance access, will open up and that your air duct itself won't be damaged by the under pressure. Also keep in mind that it doesn't matter for the air scrubber when it's a push or pull system. The fans itself has to be capable of ventilating the total amount of air that the animals require. So mainly in summer conditions or the concentration of ppms you want to ventilate out of your departments are capable of a pressure difference of 65 Pascal. This is the resistance over the air scrubber. Wherever you put your fans, these fans have to be suitable for the environment. So if you place your fans at the back of behind the air scrubber, that they are capable of 100% of RH. And also, we always prefer that these fans are frequency controlled.